How to limit battery charge on Windows 11. In today's video, we're going to show you how to limit your battery charge on Windows 11, whether you're trying to extend your laptop's battery lifespan or reduce the wear and tear on your battery. This method can help you do that, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's refresh our system. Simply right click and click on refresh. Now let's open settings by right clicking on the start menu and opening settings. Now here at the top you can search for battery and simply open it, or you can simply go to power and battery in the system. Simply go to power and battery, and here as you can see you have several options for your battery. Simply tap on the screen and sleep on. You can simply choose and customize whatever you prefer for your battery, but if you want to save battery, you can use on battery power for simply small, and on power mode simply choose best power efficiency, and scroll down. Here you can see battery saver, simply tap on it. Now you can choose to use battery saver, so you can do turn on now, or you can also use turn on battery saver automatically add, whichever you prefer. Now here you can simply customize it to simply improve the battery health of your PC, and in this way you can simply limit your battery charge on your Windows 11.